How to add cash gift to Throne wishlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can add cash gift in your Throne wishlist. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into the throne.com. Now to add cash gift, you have to head towards the wishlist tab. Once you're here, scroll down a bit. Here you have a button to add gifts. So click on add gifts. Once you land on this interface, now to add the cash gift, navigate to top right corner. There is add cash gift button, click on it. Then you will see this kind of interface in your device. Here, first of all, you have to enter a title for this gift. So enter your preferred title. Under that, you could add image for your gift card or the cash gift. So click on this drop down here, then select the image. Or here you can click on it and select the image. Once you're done with that, now you can add the amount for your cash gift. Enter your preferred amount here. If you click on this drop down here, you can select your currency as well. Under that, select your preferred quantity. If you want to add some description, you can add a description as well, but this is optional. If you don't want to add description, you can leave as it is. Once you're done, click on add to wish list, and then this cash gift will be added into your wish list on Throne. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.